note, isn't that note?
Baby, don't care. My man's off the rest of your sleep. No special shots, yes, I wanna don't sleep. If you shower, I say, oh, no, see, that's not wrong. Just to do. I know sometimes you can see my way. I'll be doing it better, you'll be a team. Knock you down, and all you lose, I'll be doing it. Oh, baby, that's not how I want. Sorry, I forgot that there, man.
I kind of forgot the turnaround. It's alright.
I thought it was good, man.
Let's try one. The run up.
That part.
No. Let's make more in love.
Oh yeah. Oh, hang on. So it goes to C sharp minor.
Yeah.
F sharp. Do that again.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. It's a major. Back to the same place. It's like
And then we go into C sharp minor.
C sharp. Yeah, that's the
Then to the F sharp. Yeah. Okay.
is the chorus. But
I think there was another section in between these two places.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah, there was another
there?
section. Yeah.
So I'm down for quite a bit, aren't I? And then I come
Yeah,
rocking.
it takes a while before it comes up.
I
Yeah.
think we just said Sweet Morning Love for a while, man.
No, I think there was a little bit of guitar lead, and then after there was another singing.
Was it?
Yeah. Because it's like we want to sweet morning love.
Sweet morning love. Yeah, sweet morning love. Yeah, sweet morning love. When I said sweet, sweet morning love. Sweet morning love. Sweet morning love. Sweet morning love.
Yeah, that was on my change, isn't it?
Okay, maybe yeah.
Yeah. I think it was that, and then I build into it. I was going to go
When do the drums start?
after when I come in. When you come in right on it, man. You come in right.
So
on
can
it.
you just go like 1, 2, 3, 4 before we go to the change?
Yeah.
For now,
Yeah.
so we know.
All right. And again.
You decide. end up on that heavy.
Okay. That's cool. Right?
Anyway, that's one.
That's alright.
Yeah, just all about dynamics really with that. Shall we do Angel of Death?
Yeah, what key's that?
What key is that in again? Angel of Death.
F sharp, is it?
Wait, lads, no, don't.
Oh, yeah. What's that?
Don't say anything.
What's going on?
Hey, look, just like a sad song, baby. This is JC.
Hey.
This is my fiance. This is my little nephew.
It's very heavy outside now.
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
There's fucking fire there, baby.
Can you see the fire?
Yeah.
Mind this. Ridiculous.
What's going on? You want to play it in F sharp?
I don't want to do it.
Huh?
What is it?
F.
What is happening with that noise?
That's your one.
It's not mine.
It's a phone thing.
It's in that, yeah?
Yeah.
What are the chords? It's like 2 chord one, isn't it?
2, 3 chords.
Yeah, it goes F, B flat, F, and then at some point it goes to C.
I can't really remember the words. What
Is that,
Yeah, I think. Oh, yeah.
River goes down. They've gone already.
Someone.
In the grave, you're going to start with down, 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 down.
It's yours, Nick.
It's mine now.
Fucking hell, Nick.
Yes! Bit of professionalism, please.
The phone. Fucking phones.
Remember, we're going to go 3 times on the instrumental and go fucking mental, yeah? Don't know, we'll fill it.
Yeah, but not straight away, we just drop it down
That's
completely.
right. Yeah.
Everyone's coming in.
So you go down, bow, 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 bow. Is that me first?
No, it's you first,
Yeah.
and then I do point, point, point.
Okay.
Nick,
In the grave, boom, boom.
when do I come in?
Whenever you feel, man.
Yeah, man. Fucking easy goosey around here, mate.
There's no problem.
In the grave, boom, boom, John. You're on the day. When you gonna be late? Lay beneath the cold clay. An angel of death come down from the sky and take your poor soul when the time comes to die. When an angel of death
to look.
Nice. I think the middle one should just flow more into the last one. We're becoming a bit heavy on the middle
Cool.
chorus. That's all. Man.